Body parts. Listen and repeat. What is it? It's a head. What is it? It's hair. What is it? It's a face. What is it? It's a forehead. What is it? It's an eye. What is it? It's an eyebrow. What is it? It's an eyelid. What is it? They are eyelashes. What is it? It's a nose. What is it? It's an ear. What is it? It's a cheek. What is it? They are cheeks. What is it? It's a chin. What is it? It's a mouth. What is it? They are lips. What is it? It's a tongue. What is it? It's a tooth. What is it? They are teeth. What is it? It's a beard. What is it? It's a mustache. What is it? It's a neck. What is it? It's a shoulder. They are shoulders. They are two shoulders. What is it? It's an arm. What is it? It's a hand. What is it? It's an elbow. What is it? It's a hand. What is it? It's a palm. What is it? It's a finger. It's one finger. They are fingers. They are 5 fingers. What is it? It's a thumb. What is it? It's an index finger. What is it? It's a middle finger. What is it? It's a ring finger. What is it? It's a little finger. What is it? It's a wrist. What is it? They are nails. What is it? It's a chest. What is it? It's a waist. What is it? It's a belly. What is it? It's a leg. What is it? It's a knee. What is it? It's a toe. It's one toe. What is it? They are toes. They are 5 toes. What is it? It's a heel. What is it? It's a foot. It's 1 foot. What is it? They are feet. They are 2 feet. What is it? It is an ankle. Now it's time for a quiz. What is it? Perfect, cheeks. What is it? Bingo, shoulders. What is it? That's correct, mouth. What is it? That's correct, teeth. What is it? That's correct, fingers. What is it? Exactly, knee.